Wuwei Ningbo Intelligent Technology Company Limited was established in 2020 and locates in Ningbo area, 40 kilometers to Ningbo Airport and 70 kilometers to Ningbo Seaport with convenient transportation. We are an enterprise integrating research and development, manufacturing and marketing focusing on household cleaning and cleaning product technology. We create the brand with the concept of deep cleaning. Health and safety pursues to create products with innovative technology and high-end intelligent manufacturing and provides wireless, brushless, efficient and convenient dust removal cleaning products, and more comfortable cleaning experience for families all over the world with the standard quality. Our products mainly include corded vacuum cleaners, cordless vacuum cleaners, steam cleaners, spot cleaners, steam mop, soap dispensers. We develop 10 new items every year. We offer full customizability from concept to final product, including private labeling, comprehensive support including product design, engineering, manufacturing, logistics, and after-sales service. Cost-effective manufacturing solutions without compromising on quality. Quality is our cornerstone. All our products are rigorously tested and comply with international safety and quality standards include different approvals. Strong relationships with suppliers and stable payment, even pay in advance, ensure material consistency and stable production fast lead time. We are looking for reliable partners to build a successful business relationship. We ensure efficient production, standard quality control, and on-time delivery to help all customers succeed. Our mission is to empower global brands with intelligently designed, reliably built, and exceptionally performing cleaning appliances that enhance everyday life. We warmly welcome your visit in the near future to enter into a mutual benefit and win-win cooperation.